Different Android devices offer different proxy settings. Depending on your device's manufacturer and operating system, these settings can often be quite limiting. Fortunately, free apps like SocksDroid can expand the proxy customization options on any Android device, offering a simple way to set up and deploy your own VPN by using proxy servers. IPRoyal's ResidentialProxies make an ideal SocksDroid companion for several reasons. With over 32 million ethically sourced IP addresses in the world, precise geo-targeting, HTTP and SOCKS 5 support, you always have everything you need to bypass any IP-based limitations and access the internet with zero restrictions. To start, visit the IPRoyal dashboard to set up your proxies. Let's say we want to use proxies from Toronto, Canada, and keep the same IP address for 10 hours. You can also use any of our other proxy services. Just make sure to set your proxy type to SOCKS 5. Once you do that, it's time to copy your credentials from the IPRoyal dashboard over to the appropriate fields in SocksDroid. For the server IP, use geo.iproyal.com. The server port you need to use is 32325. Scroll down and tick the box next to username and password authentication. Enter your IPRoyal username in the username field. Enter your IPRoyal password in the password field. Once you're done, your SocksDroid settings should look like this. And you're ready to go! All that's left is to toggle the switch in the top right corner to start using your own VPN with IPRoyal proxies. You'll get a connection request prompt. Since you know and trust the source, tap the OK button. If your settings are correct, you'll notice a VPN icon next to your connection and a SOCKS 5 proxy activated message in your notification bar. To check your brand new IP address and location, visit our IP address lookup page or any similar website. And that's it. You can now use SocksDroid and your IPRoyal proxies to browse the web or use your favorite apps without limitations. Whenever you need a proxy from a different location, simply change your settings in the IPRoyal dashboard and replace the existing password in SocksDroid with the new one. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay in the loop on our latest videos. See you soon.